I was second in line to shoot it behind King Fudd, so go check his first, I guess. You know, he's the man. What's going on, guys? Trey here, the Ghost Tactical, here at Poma's Shooting Sport Showcase. We're here at Trailblazer. This guy right here, King Fudd Clovertac, was the first one to shoot this morning, so I guess I'm gonna have to be the second one. Now, the cool thing about this is it looks pretty damn cool when you're trying to get ready to go. Being a crayon eater, there's a good chance that I'm gonna screw this up, but let's try it. So, muzzle, okay. Muzzle down range. Boom. Boom. Drop it forward. Mag in. Oh yeah, here we go. See if I screw this up or not.
Yep, mag out.
Oh, yep. See, I already screwed it up. Pretty damn cool. Might be the coolest thing we shoot all day, and it's the first booth we came to. So, Trailblazer, the Pivot. I was second in line to shoot it behind King Fudd, so go check his first, I guess. You know, he's the man. But yeah, for a crayon eater to be able to do this, anyone can do it. Semper Fi.